There is the alleged police killing of a Pakistani national at Tinga Market, Kajiado County last evening. Our rapid response team has already been dispatched to the name of that Pakistani national is Arshad Sharif, aged 50, who incident happened on 23rd at 22 hours. There are several other cases of alleged police fatal shooting of members of the public, several cases of fatal shooting of their colleagues due to personal disagreements. So even as we read this statement, IPOA assures Kenyans of full commitment to deliver on its mandate and consequently contribute towards professionalism of the National Police Service through tenacious efforts to eradicate all forms of extrajudicial and enforced disappearances. And this commitment includes even collaboration with criminal justice systems, actors, such as the Office of ODPP and civil society organizations, to just ensure that cases of enforced disappearance and extrajudicial killings are attended to and judicial relief given where due.